Hello, my name is Allyson Broeder. I am going to be a freshman at Lone Star this year, and this is my career exploration project. So, my dream career is to be a market research analyst. And some people may ask, what is a market research analyst? And that is a person who studies market conditions to examine potential sales of a product or service and help companies understand what products people want, who will buy them, and at what price. Typical job duties that a market research analyst will have, they will be studying market conditions, they'll be collecting data on consumers, competitors, and the marketplace. They will come up with reports and presentations of consolidating information found, and they will utilize data to help companies understand what products people want, who will buy them, and at what price. So some personality strengths that will match this career, something I have that will be beneficial is having good communication skills, because you are going to be working with people a lot and kind of figuring out what will be beneficial to place into the marketplace. You have to be able to think outside of the box, have the ability to place themselves in another person's shoes. So when you have this career, you kind of have to think about, put yourself in the place of a person that will be buying this product or this service, and you have to think about, will this particular person buy it, or will it be something that isn't very necessary? You have to be able to think realistically about the future and what it will hold, and you need to have strong analytical skills. So I have a high interest in interacting with people, and this career does, like I said, involve a group effort in making decisions and how a product or service should be marketed, and finding out if it should be marketed at all. And I also like learning new things, and this allows me to, again, be able to place myself in other people's shoes and see what trends are happening currently in society and how this particular product or service will benefit in that way. So some of the advantages of having this career: it is good pay. You have the ability to interact with people throughout the day, so you're not just stuck in a cubicle all day just writing reports. There is a lot of interaction and communication that is involved. And having insight on the patterns of society, I strongly see that as an advantage, because I think it's just really cool to see where society is headed and what trends are in the now. Some disadvantages: you have to be able to handle tight deadlines when it comes to reports, and some papers you have to fill out. You have to be able to be good at writing as well. Most work stays in the office. I am a person that likes to go out into the world, so that is a disadvantage of this job, is that it is solely in an office building. There's lots of pressure to get things done right and on time, and the hours are not so flexible because there are sharp deadlines. So pay and job outlook. The median annual wage in 2017 was $63,230. The employment of market research analysts is projected to grow 23% 2016 to 2026. So, and some interesting facts about this job is that most researchers or people that are in this career, they get their information from online questionnaires and polls. And even though people that are just surfing online and these pop up, it can be kind of seen as annoying. But I just think it's really cool because they're able to just reach out to just everyday people that are online and just see what they do like, what they don't like, kind of what's trending, what's not, what people would buy, what people would kind of disregard. And then the work of a market research analyst can be done anywhere as long as you are with a laptop. I did say that most of it stays in the office. However, if you are in a position where you are able to just bring your work anywhere, you are more than capable of doing that as long as you have good Wi-Fi and internet connection. And that's my works cited. Thank you.